So we would like to find an equation of the plane that contains the lines that intersect and are given by these two vectors according to these parameters. So what we saw in the previous video was that these two lines, they intersect at 1, 2, 1. So we have 1, 2, 1 as the point of intersection. That will be a point in the plane. Now we would like to find a vector that's perpendicular to that plane. So we'll make two vectors along these two lines. So for that, let's take points. So here we are first trying t equals 0, and hopefully that will work. So that gives us a point 2, 1, negative 2 on the red line. So let's look at that. So here is 2, 1, negative 2 on the red line. Okay. And then for the green line, we will first try s equals 0. So that gives us negative 1, 6, negative 3. And so if we go to our green line, so here is the point negative 1, 6, negative 3. So now we can form these two vectors, one here and another one here. So the components of this vector will be, we can just use the coordinates of these points, okay, and that will give you 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now we will just look at these two. 1 minus negative 2 would be, or 1 minus 2 would be negative 2, then negative 2 minus 1 would be negative 3. And for this vector, we'll go negative 1 minus 1, that is negative 2, 6 minus 2 is 4, and negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. All right. So now our problem changes to this, that is, we have to find an equation of the plane that contains this point 1, 2, 1. That was the point of intersection and is perpendicular to the cross product of the two vectors that we just found. So that is this cross product, and which will equal to the determinant, and let's compute it. So what this will be, 4, and then plus 12 will be 16i. Okay, and then we get, what do we get afterwards? Here 6 plus 4 will be 10, so 10j, and then we'll go here 4, and then minus, this will be 2, the product, so that will be simply 2k. So what we have is that we have to find the equation of the plane that passes through this and is perpendicular to this vector. So that will be just routine 16, then x minus 1, and then plus 10, y minus how much? 2, and then plus we get 2 times z minus how much? Z minus 1, and that equals 0. And if we divide by the common factor, that is 2, this becomes 8 here, 5 here, and 1 here. And we can graphically check our answer by just plotting the plane, and you can see that's the plane containing these two lines.